now we said that embrace your failure. If you start embracing a failure, it's a very big achievement on your end if you can embrace it. So when we are writing our vision, so after that we should always give positive energy to it while also embracing the failure around it. Is that what one would say?
There is a principle called 49-51. So 49-51 principle you apply in visions. 49% desire and 51% let go of the desire. That means desire is so much that you burning desire. No matter what, I will complete my tribe at the mark. No matter what, I will do it. Mar bhi jaunga, I do it. But sometimes, many a times, it doesn't happen. Physically, you're not able to. At that time, you apply the 51, let go. Beforehand only using. So the game has to be 49-51 if you want to have a very exciting game. Many people, they play 20-80 game. 20% desire, 80% let go. Nothing will happen because there's no rajas. Many people play 80% desire, 20% let go. Lot of blood pressure. So play the 49-51 game principle for visions.
As a youngster from my end, I have a different question, not on this topic, but as a boy who is currently 19 years old, and in many teenagers, we always get, I can say, emotional or depressed is not, I will say not depressed, but have a state of mind that if something small happens, we get to have a setback. We always think small mistakes of ours led to something that we are like always stepping back ourselves. Even might be getting low marks in tests, not winning a football match, or even not competing with the fullest. But even if we give our fullest, and if we don't achieve something, we are always go in a deep state that, oh, I'm not worth it, or I am doing something wrong in my life.
I got it. So this is not for, this may be not for every youngster.
Yeah.
But yeah, for majority of the people, youngsters may be going through this because now you're in the, 2000 for Gen Z. Gen Z, the mind over the period of time, the brain has changed dramatically. And now it is running at super duper speed. So, because it's running so fast, why it is running? Again, because of social media, you see Facebook, from 5 minutes, from a Satyajit Ray movie to now social media movies, 1 minute Instagram, then 30 seconds, then 10 seconds, So our mind is getting so, we want change so fast without you knowing that you want change. It's unconsciously in your DNA that you want change very fast. And when things don't happen any as per yours, you will get disturbed.
Yeah.
So it is in your DNA. So what is the solution? The solution is how it was formed, you rewire it, or rather it was programmed, now you deprogram and put a new program. That's what we are teaching in the Living Life King Size. Thoda karo, roz karo. The thing is, be in gratitude. That's the bottom line. Yeah. And just do every day and it will turn around. Unfortunately, people don't give consistent time. They will do for 10 days and then leave. They do for 15 days and leave. Now, you just do it consistently. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.